County in Yinchuan, the capital of northwest China's Ningxia Hilly Autonomous Region. One of the biggest concerns is the large number of homes
Yinchuan, the capital of China's Ningxia Autonomous Region, was recently shaken by a powerful earthquake. The quake, measuring 4.8 on the Richter scale, struck Yongning County, causing widespread panic and damage. The epicenter of the earthquake was located at a depth of 10 kilometers, and the tremors were felt in nearby regions, including Wuhai, Bayannur of Inner Mongolia, and Lanzhou of Gansu Province. The powerful earthquake has struck Yinchuan, the capital of the Ningxia Autonomous Region in northwest China, causing significant damage to infrastructure and homes. The tremor disrupted daily activities, with buildings damaged and debris reported in various areas.
The impact of the disaster is likely to be felt for a long time to come.
The local government has activated a Level 4 disaster relief emergency response, and teams have been dispatched to aid in relief efforts. The earthquake has also caused widespread fear among the local population, with many residents opting to sleep outdoors for fear of aftershocks. The authorities have urged residents to remain calm and follow safety guidelines. The cause of the earthquake is still under investigation, but experts believe it may be related to the region's complex geological fault lines. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get the latest news about natural disasters around the world, and stay safe.
A group of volunteers who have come together to provide aid and support to those affected. They've set up makeshift shelters, distributed